guys and do a review on a product that I've been using over the last couple months now. It's a storage solution product. It's actually made by a company called Cobra. You guys might have seen these before, but I don't know if you guys have ever had a chance to use them before. Like I said, I've been using mine now for a couple months. It's been working out great. What's pretty neat about this, it holds 6 rods. You can actually, I've got one that holds 8. It's the same thing as the 6, but I actually put a couple more in there. That's why I bought this second one. But what I like about this is pretty much when you pick this up at the store, I actually got this at Cabela's. I walked in the store, walked out with it. It was $34.99 plus tax. Not a real bad price. You can make something at home that probably save you some money, but I really like this this idea. And what I like about it is you can tell it's a sturdy product, just straight out of the package. It's not gonna break on you. It hasn't bent, it hasn't flexed. I haven't had any problems with mine. Like I said, I've been using it for 2 months now, and I think you guys know me. I fish quite a bit, so I'm in my garage. I'm in and out of there, getting rods and stuff out of there all the time. So, but they've got a couple pictures here on the back. Kind of explains, your directions and how to put it up. They've got 2 different mounts that you can use on this. We'll open this up and I'll show you real quick. The mounts that they make for this are basically like a clamp style mount. You can use the clamps, or if you want to, you can actually hard drill this into your garage door. Now, I didn't want to do that much work. I wanted something that was quick and something that was easy, and this was a great solution for that. So these brackets here, they've got a little groove on them here, and you basically pop the groove in on the back of the garage door, and after you've got your groove in place, you're going to take the mount and you're actually going to mount it to the plate, and you'll put some screws through the holes here, and I think they got some wing nuts, and it's real quick and easy. It goes up in a matter of minutes. What's cool about it is you can use it while the garage door is open. You can use it while the garage door is closed. Usually what I do is I'll have the garage door open, and then I can just reach up and grab the, pull whatever rod that I want to use for that day down. Now, these inserts are really smooth. I haven't had any problems with any wear and tear on the actual rod or rod handles. That might be a concern later on. Like I said, I don't know. I haven't seen any wear or tear on mine, so I'm not too worried about it. But basically, when the garage door goes up, your rod's just going to spin in this and come to the resting position of when it's up. So guys, stick around. We'll get out there to the garage, and I'll show you how these things work real quick. Alright guys, so you can see how I've already got mine mounted up there. I'm actually going to try and mount the other one just above it, and we'll see how it works. But like I said, so you'll take your groove, and then you've got a part that's going to be right about there on top of the garage door that's going to groove into this, and then you'll put your piece together, secure it with your bolt and the wing nuts that they provide, and you just screw it on and you're done. Another thing that might help you guys is when you're actually putting them together, these little brackets, they've got a little inset on them for the bolt. Go ahead and maybe pop them in there first, give it a little turn, pop it down in there, and if you can hold it with your fingers when you put it in, it'll make it a little easier. Guys, when you're putting these up, just make sure you leave them a little bit loose, because you might want to move them side to side couple things I might also recommend is check, if you have anything that might overhang above the garage. You don't want to put it near the track, that your sliders slide up in. So a couple of those things, take that into consideration, and also put it in a comfortable spot. I've got my kayaks over here to my side on the right here, so I like to have my free open area where I can actually get to the rods. So put them in a good spot where you can get to them and access them pretty easily as well. Take a look at mine. I'm a little close to that center bar. Perfect example of what I was talking about. So I'm going to actually take it and slide it down a little bit. So guys, when you put these up, just make sure you offset them a little bit, because if you don't, they're going to hit each other when the garage door comes up. I learned the hard way. So another thing, guys, that kind of surprised me about this product, with these products being so close together, the two separate units, you would think that at least one of the rods at some point is going to get struck, but it doesn't. So I actually did eyeball it a couple times. I wanted to make sure, because I wouldn't want one of my rods getting broke. So, but here it is. We'll show you how it looks when you open up the garage. And you can see, guys, how they hang nicely on the garage. You can actually get to them very easily, and this thing's a lifesaver. I really enjoy having mine. Go ahead and check it out, guys. Cobra garage door storage solution, $34.99 at Cabela's. Give it a try. I think it's a great product. So, guys, I hope y'all are having a great one out there. We'll take it easy, and we'll see you on the water real soon.